your hobby? What subject do you like best? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite drink? What is your favorite pet? What is your favorite food? What is your religion? Okay, what is your father's name? What is your mother's name? What is your father's job? What is your mother's job? What time do you go to school? What time do you go to sleep? What time do you wake up? How many brothers do you have? How many sisters do you have? Okay, thank you very much. That's it.